By the end of this video, you'll be able to access 8 free models, including the Anthropic, Minimax, GLM, and Qwen models. Okay, no subscription is required. No credit card is needed, and nothing else is required. I'll show you how to use it within Visual Studio Code. Here we have the Amazon Q developer plan. Here, we are going to use AWS's most capable generative AI assistant for software development through the VS Code extension. With Amazon Q developer pricing and the AWS free tier, you can access the most powerful model currently available on the market for free. You can access it from within Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity. First, open your extension section and search for Amazon Q, the official extension provided by Amazon.com. First, you have to install this extension. Once installed, the extension appears in the left sidebar. Click its icon, and the dialog window will open. Scroll down a little, and you'll see Sign in with existing account. Click that option. It provides a link you can open in your browser. You can create your account directly in the browser. You can use any authentication method, but I prefer Google. Once authentication succeeds, grant permission to access it within Visual Studio Code. Afterward, you can use it easily within Visual Studio Code. In this extension, 3 sections will be shown. One part covers notifications, another handles the code issue, and the third is for chat. Under code issues, you'll see critical, high, medium, low, and info levels. This is the kind of problem you run into when you go ahead and build the project. In a single project, various kinds of issues can appear, and the system categorizes them into 5 different types. Next, we have the chat section, and it is the most important part. This extension will include support for multiple tabs. It also lets you work with several models across multiple tabs. Here you get access to Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Haiku, DeepSeek, Minimax, GLM, and Qwen models. For every tab, you can choose a different model, or simply set it to auto. Now let's check its capabilities. First, let's test whether it works. Hi. Of course it's going to work. I'll create a single landing page for my YouTube channel. First, I'll copy my channel's YouTube link. With most Visual Studio Code extensions, you can add a link or something similar. But here, you can include absolutely everything. Here is my YouTube channel link. Here, I'll instruct them that this is my YouTube channel link. Then, could you create a single landing page for my channel? It should look clean and clear. At the same time, it includes every feature required for a single landing page, and it will already start working on it right away. Afterward, we'll review its performance. Okay, it's finished now. So let's check how it looks first and then go live. Alright, it looks nice. Over 100 videos posted. 10K plus subscribers. Nice, I like it. Okay, leave a comment when ready. Subscribe because it's free. Turn on notifications. Check WTF.code topics, videos, why us, news. It will open the YouTube channel. I like it. Its performance is excellent. And I really like it. It also gives you a decent token allowance for attaching any file you need. You can note it by adding the rate. You can also do this if you need to mention a folder. You can add an image here too. Okay. These are all the features, and this is the complete model lineup that will be provided. Official AWS will provide this. Use it while it's free. Learn something new. And that's all for today's video.